Imagine a patient with a broken bone. They need to undergo multiple surgeries to have a permanent metallic implant, which might not even perfectly fit, or even undergo amputation. But there should be a better solution to rebuild a damaged organ. 3D printing is a promising technology to achieve this goal. Based on the bone medical imaging, a code will be generated and sent to a 3D printer. An artificial bone structure, which is called a scaffold, will be 3D printed from a plastic material. The 3D printed bone scaffold will be implanted at the injury site. After a few years, this structure will break down in the body and new healthy bone will be replaced. I 3D printed this scaffold in different pore sizes, so its mechanical properties and the rate that it breaks down in the body can be tailored for each patient. The surface of the scaffold has anchoring sites and it is suitable for cell attachment and bone healing. But there is another challenge to overcome. Many patients die because of implant infection. So in the lab, I coated the scaffolds with antibiotics, and results showed continuous antibiotic release. There is an advantage to this drug delivery system. Delivering antibiotic locally would give higher dose at the implant site without spreading antibiotic in the body. This multifunctional scaffold is a promising system which could help the body regrow the damaged bone without having infection.